In this video, I'm going to show you how to kick people off YouTube TV if your account is being used by unauthorized users, or if you've reached the maximum number of simultaneous streams. Let's get started. YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams per account, so if someone else is using your subscription, you may need to manage active devices to free up access. To begin, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Devices section. Here you'll see a list of all devices currently signed in to your account, along with their last active date and location. Review the list to identify any unfamiliar or unused devices. To remove a device, click the Remove button next to it. Confirm your choice when prompted, and the device will be signed out immediately. If you're unable to locate the Devices section, another option is to change your account password. By updating your password, all devices signed into your account will be logged out automatically. You can then sign back in on your preferred devices. Keep in mind that changing your password is a more drastic step and should only be done if you suspect unauthorized access. For households sharing an account, communicate with other users before removing devices to avoid interruptions. Additionally, consider setting up separate user profiles for family members to better manage usage. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope kicking people off YouTube TV was simple and effective for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.